Hey guys, it's Critter Girl, and I just wanted to do this close-up and personal with Millie the cockatiel today. Millie. Millie. Hi. She wants her head rubbed. She likes that. Please excuse my gum chewing, guys. Sorry about that. What? Why are you biting me? Here she is. Pretty cockatiel. You nibbling Mama's finger. Can you say hi to the subscribers? Can you say hi? Could you show everybody your Bubba Gump face? Okay, you gotta come down here for Mom to rub your head. Good girl. She loves to have her little head rubbed, her little face. Can I rub your head? Let Mama rub your head. Sorry, baby. Mama rub your head. Aww, look at that little beak. You're such a sweetheart. Yeah, you're nuzzling. And now she's biting, okay. So guys, I just wanted to do that quick little video with Millie the cockatiel. Such a sweetie. So have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.